Hello friends, today we are with one more internship that is basically from Hackers Rank side. I hope every one of you must know what is Hacker Rank. It is one of the best platform if you have to practice coding. But still, if you want to know anything about Hacker Rank, just simply but still, if you want to know anything about Hacker Rank, just simply search it on the Google and you will just come to know everything about Hacker Rank. So basically this is the site, like you can if you want as a company you can also hire here, as well as if you want to be a developer then simply just sign up and practice coding here. Like it will improve your algorithm designing, your like how to optimize a solution, how to think conceptually and make a logic behind what the problem is. So it is one of the best site. If you are a beginner, you must start by HackerRank. So like they have a internship for 6 months, which is actually a winter internship, and any graduate can apply for it. Either if you are from 2021, 2020, 2019, or any batch, right? But they have one condition. This internship would be either in India, Bangalore, or remote within the India. Okay, but the thing is, they want a 6 month full time internship, that is from Jan to June. If your college doesn't allow, then you should not apply for it. And they have also mentioned, please apply only and only if you are available for the full time for the entire duration. And rest you can just read about it, what is HackerRank, about the HackerRank, and like life as an intern at the HackerRank. Like it is a simple thing, but still if you're good at coding, it is one of the best opportunity for you. And surely you can also mention that in your resume as well. Okay, so let's see how to fill the form for that. See, when I have filled this form, I just applied with LinkedIn. What was the best part? It has fetched all the details from LinkedIn. I just need to put one or two details only. So if you have a LinkedIn account, just simply apply with LinkedIn and it will fill all the blanks itself. And like simple, it's very simple, like first name, last name, your email ID, phone number, what is your location. Even you'll click on the locate me and just turn on the GPS and it will like fetch the location itself. Attach your resume, and once you attach your resume, just write like what is your degree. If it is BTech, then simply you choose bachelor's, otherwise whatever it is, right? And after that, like here, what is the particular, like I'm from computer science, like if you are from IT or any of the field, just simply select that. Starting date, end date, like basically the year when you have started, like you are from 2017 to 2021 or which batch. Okay, and you have to like add education, like since I have applied it with LinkedIn, like it has added itself. So for me it was very easy to do this thing. But still, like you can also edit something after attaching the LinkedIn, else just put it yourself, right? So they are specially asking like, does your college allow this duration? Because some colleges are there which are regular courses, the full-time courses, and even they have the 8 sem in the college itself. It is not for the internship. So for that you are supposed to do no. And since you are doing no, so for that they will not allow you for the internship. So you have to be like tricky here. You can say yes and talk to your college regarding the same, right? And if you have a LinkedIn profile, just simply put the like link in here. It is basically www.linkedin.com, and after that you will just have the username that you have. Okay, see, LinkedIn profile, the website, and when you have to explain your experience or any of the projects, it is optional. Even if you will not give, like it is not mandatory to give that, but still if you provide that, it would be a better thing, right? So here you can just write anything. It's completely up to you. What are the projects that you have done? If you have the GitHub link for the project or any other thing, you can just mention that here, right? And simply click on the submit button. It was as easy as it can. But still, I want to say one thing, like if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel as soon as possible, because daily we come up with different things. And the next video would be on TCS digital exam, like how to apply for that, and like what if you have cleared the code vita, what about the interviews, what are the next procedure, and if you have like done only one question in the code vita, then you are eligible for the ninja profile. So first of all, we have to clear like what is Ninja Profile, what is digital, and how to apply for digital, which is actually for 7 to 7.5 lakh per annum. So we'll just discuss about everything in the next video.